So as a part of the installation, so open your browser and go to this tomcat.apache.org. So you can see here Tomcat 10, 9, 8 different versions of Apache Tomcat server. And for Windows 10, for Windows versions, we can go for Tomcat 9. And in Tomcat 9, you have here the binary distributions. And here if you see, we have 32-bit and 64-bit Windows service installer. So just click on that, you'll get a download. So I have already downloaded it for you. So this is the download. So double click on that. So if you double click on that, you'll get this. So welcome to the Apache Tomcat setup page, you will get it. So just click on next, and this is the service agreement you have. Just click I agree and click on next. Then here we have to give the port number. So server shutdown port is okay, let it be. And for connector port 8080 is there for Oracle also, so let us change it to all 8s. 4 8s I have given. And remember this port number. And service name, this is Tomcat 9, and the username Tomcat administrator login. So this is optional, but we have to give the username and password for running our application, for deploying the application. We require this username and password. So here I'm giving root system, and here I'm giving 123. So just click on next, and it is asking for a JVM machine, so that path we have to give. So you will get it by default. If not, you browse it here. You have 3 doors, just browse it here and ensure Java is installed in your system, and you can give that path here. So just click next. Once you give the Java path, then destination folder is where our Apache Tomcat server is being installed. So here we are giving C drive, burn program files, Apache Software Foundation. This is by default you will get. Just click install. So the installation of your Apache Tomcat server is starting. So it takes a while. It takes a while for installing. Yes, it is installed. So you got this. You can click now finish page, finish button. So this is a release notes, not required. You can close it now. So once this is installed, you can see here on the right bottom corner of your taskbar, you have Apache Tomcat server. Just if you click on that, you can see the service status that is started. So every time when you want to run your application, you have to ensure that your Apache Tomcat server is started. So that service has to be started. So once your application deployment is done, then you can stop it right here by clicking stop button. So just click OK and take a new browser or new window in the browser. So here just give here localhost colon. So we have given the port number. So what is the port number of our Apache Tomcat server? 48, right? So just we'll give that 48. So localhost colon 48. If you give, so it will redirect to this Apache Tomcat server. So see here, you can see if you are seeing this, you have successfully installed your Tomcat. So your Tomcat is successfully installed. So in further classes, we'll see how to install, how to run, develop a program and how to run using this Apache Tomcat server. Thank you.